Amazfit Aries smartwatch to launch on May 19. Amazfit has been teasing a new smartwatch for quite some time now, and today, the company has finally announced that it will be launching its latest smartwatch, the Amazfit Aries, on May 19. We don't know a lot about the upcoming smartwatch from Huami, but the teaser image shared by the company on its Weibo account gives away a decent amount. For one, it looks like this will also be a rugged smartwatch with a boxy, square-ish design and what looks like a rubber or silicone strap. The display looks tiny, with massive bezels on the sides with button labels. I'm not entirely convinced by this design choice, at least judging by the picture, but Huami has reportedly taken user feedback into account for creating this design. As far as fitness features are concerned, Huami says the watch comes with 70 sports modes, and the image shows off VO2 max and activity rings that look similar to what you'd see on the Apple Watch. Also, the company mentioned that the watch will come with FIRSTBEAT professional-level sports analysis features, so we can expect things like exercise load, recovery time, and other features to be present on the Aries as well. The watch should come in at least two colors, judging by images shared by the Huami Weibo account and Huami's CEO Huang Wang showing the watch in black and green colors. There's no information about the pricing for the Amazfit Aries, but we're only 5 days out from the launch, so we won't have to wait too long to get all the details about the watch.